Cassandra, I'll be asking this on behalf of my former director in the movie industry, si Direk Eric Mati. He was asking me kasi, saan ka nagpasalon pag nagpapakulay ng buhok? Kasi the last time you were here, hindi ganyan ang kulay ng buhok mo, saka hindi ganyan curly.
Mr. Chair, ganito pa rin po yung kulay ng buhok ko since
The last time?
last time po.
Hindi, kasi baka
Tapos-
Okay, sige.
Tapos po,
Oh.
yung kulot po is DIY,
Ginan mo lang. Kasi baka mamaya merong salon na kami dito sa HOR, sa aming detention facility. The chairman is asking me if pwede din siyang magpakulay ng buhok doon sa facility natin. I just wanted to make it light, no, yung ating pong discussion. But if indeed there is a existing salon in the detention center, then I will be filing a resolution, ano ba, condemning or
Sasagot yata siya.
sige, kasi, sige.
yung hair color ko, ito pa rin po naman since then.
Yan ba yung
po.
dati?
Except na lang siguro kung, di ba, nagsha-shower naman po. So,
Hindi, parang naiba kasi ang kulay.
Opo.
Kasi everybody was trying to tell me na parang nabago yung hair mo. But ano na yun, beside the point.
Parang alam na alam mo ang buhok, ang kulay ng buhok
Text lang
ni
si
Cassie,
Direk.
ha?
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Maraming po salamat.